What's up, guys? Green Slanton here. Today I went out and purchased something in my, well, not spare time. I went out of my way and purchased a molex, male molex to female molex adapter, because my other molex connector was stuffed. So yeah, who knew? And do I have a special treat for you guys? I went and bought myself some diodes. So these are one. You can also get either 1001 or 1002. I got 1001 because, well, they're going to be applied to the. Oh, there we go. Applied to the H100. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing the tutorial. This is just a quick update video to let you know that I will be doing the I will be doing the tutorial for the H100 fix. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe for this video. Well, I'd love for you to subscribe because, well, where else could you get the video tutorial? I will also give links in the description below. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, so stay tuned for that within the end of the week, possibly. Sorry, the end of the week. Sorry, within by the end of Friday, maximum. Yeah. Okay, guys. Give it a like if you liked this video, or thumbs down if you didn't. Thanks, dudes.